For your outdoor applications, choose PanelSeT Polyester Enclosures. No matter when, where, or how. Even in the most challenging climate conditions. PanelSeT is designed to protect people and equipment 24/7. It's lightweight, making it easy to transport and handle. It's also resistant to UV light, extreme temperatures, and vibrations. PanelSeT Polyester Enclosures have a long lifespan with outstanding anti-corrosive properties. Seal protected against water and dust. Robust with a high degree of mechanical protection. They're resistant to forced entry attempts. Designed for use in public areas thanks to Class II insulation and non-conductive properties. Equipment inside is protected against fire thanks to self-extinguishing material. There are no toxic fumes as it's halogen-free. We not only offer you a high level of protection, but also help you to reduce your environmental impact. Our polyester enclosures are manufactured in a decarbonized plant. Discover also our first wall-mounting enclosure made from polyester with recycled material content. Make sustainable impact with PanelSeT Enclosures by Schneider Electric, where innovation drives every stage of the product lifecycle.